name's Kelly, and I am a genetic counselor. I work in the clinical diagnostic exome group, or the clinical genomics group. Started in genomic services, working with the technologies, and worked my way over to the clinical group, back to my roots as a genetic counselor. And actually, on my first day, Charlie came to me and said, "We want to launch a next-gen sequencing panel." And this was back in 2000, early 2009. I said, "Well, okay, we should do X-linked intellectual disability." And so he said, "Bring me a list." So my first day, I sat down and made a list of genes that looked relevant and handed it to him, and he said, "All right, done, we're going to do it." So it was a pretty cool introduction to the company. So when we first launched exome sequencing, we put about a year's work into developing the test. We were the first to launch it. We had to be responsible about it, and only about 50% of patients in pediatrics clinics receive a diagnosis, and we're motivated by the impact that a result could make on those families. And so we wanted to get that out there. The technology was there and ready, and to do it at a reasonable price, so we were very motivated to get it out. And then a lot of hard work translated into us being the first lab to launch exome sequencing clinically. And then as soon as we did, right away, our first sample that we got in, we had a positive result. And it was a really amazing positive result. A family that had been waiting 2 decades to receive a result from these 2 boys that were affected. Had done every test under the sun. It literally brought tears to people's eyes here. And it brought tears to our clinicians' eyes who received the result, and then to the family's eyes as well. And that one will always be special to us, but it actually is not an unusual story at all. It's what we see every day.